We're headed to the Splendid China Village, the Folk Village tonight to go to see the lantern festivals. And I think there's going to be a big show at 7:30. But first we're going to get food. I think also because it's Chinese New Year, so a lot of stuff is just closed. But I've got this giant bowl of tomato beef noodles. I'm arguing that this is the original spaghetti. And we've got a few more food items here. A soy milk, which they make fresh apparently. But we are on the way to go see a cool show tonight. I thought you might want to come.
Passport.
Oh,
Okay.
passport. Okay. So we bought our tickets on trip.com and the price was 25% off a Chinese cultural attire experience. So we just went and got our tickets for that. And look at the cute outfits. So we're gonna see what we can do, but it is a little bit late. It's already 6 p.m. Oh my gosh, maybe Tom can get this one. There are so many choices. The ticket that we bought, I guess, only includes these ones, the ones that are up to $99. So I ended up picking a teal flowered one. And then there was a bunch of outfits upstairs. So Tom has also picked one. And now we're just waiting for Tom to come out because the woman was telling me that the man is gonna go help him change. And then she's gonna help me change. I'll show you my outfit though. We're getting our outfits all done up. So we have our outfits. And there's a show starting in 5 or 10 minutes. So we're gonna go see if we can get a spot. So many people. There is a Dragon and Phoenix show tonight. Apparently the show is free on weekdays, but today is a Saturday and it's currently Spring Festival. So it was an extra 60 total. I guess it was extra 30 per person to get regular seats. But we are waiting because the show's still in an hour. So we're just gonna walk around and check it out. And I hope the show is gonna be great. I've heard it's one of the highlights of this park. So it turns out the tickets that we got are numbered. So we have assigned seats. So we're in row 18. And we came over here early thinking it was a first come, first served seating situation. And maybe it is on weekdays when it's free, but it's definitely not when it's ticketed. You have a number. We have pretty good seats though. The show is incredible. The stage moves. There must be like 300 performers. There was horses, there was goats, there was like so many acrobats, dancers, costumes, lion dancers. It was amazing. It was unbelievable. The show goes for around an hour. And since it ended, we've been walking along the lanterns, checking them out. And Tom just played rock, paper, scissors with one of the staff members and got a little fortune here. We don't really know what it says, so we will have to translate it.
Meals, car boat performance. Each spending is over M1. One can be used. Maybe there's a coupon? If this fruit is forced by melons, the alterations will be made according to the law.
We have just finished the entire lantern section, which is the entire outer loop of the miniature China land. It is incredible. In a way, I regret that we didn't come earlier to get to see all of the mini China land. Today was much more of a lanterns Chinese New Year visit for us. We got to see the show. This park itself, though, is really interesting. It was built in 1989. At that time, not many Chinese could travel around China. So apparently they built this park as a way for Chinese people to get to explore and experience their country without actually having to leave. This whole park is so ridiculous. It's so fancily decorated. We have found this giant crowd here, and we think there's going to be some sort of show on the water in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna try to find a good spot to see if we can see anything. But I can already see that there's people on the water. That show was incredible. I was thinking to myself, well, I wish we had come here earlier to get seats. If we're bored when we're here in Shenzhen, we're going to come back. But wow, their theme parks are really something else. They're doing a lot. This is an insane theme park.
They do everything really big and very impressive and very futuristic. There was some stuff here that we haven't seen anywhere else.
Yeah, the drone lanterns.
The water borders with the fire sticks. Like that combination is crazy and it's so cool.
On water. It's amazing. Amazing. Yeah. And if I were to do it again, I mean, now that we have already done it, I wouldn't rent the costume again. You could just pay if you really want to. I mean, for us, it was just a steal because normally it's 99 yuan and we paid like $4 to do it.
It was fun.
Yeah, only if you were
But having done it once, I don't think I'd do it again.
Yeah, only if you're really into the photo shoot. I would, if I was coming all day, consider getting the AI tour guide that tells you all about the park.
Because it seems like there's a lot to learn here.
Yeah.